Hello everyone! Now in order to make this basket, start off by lining it with some cloth at the bottom. Then use bendable wire on the bottom as well. Line it alternatively with thread, wrap it around it and then move on to the next side. At the top use beads and then also line it with jute thread to make the handles. Now start off by taking any sort of circular object, draw the shape of it on a cardboard piece of paper and then cut it out. Line the rest of it with thread. Take a bottle, cut it into half and then line it. There you have yourself a little bunny hat. Start off by taking the bottom of a container, make a slit in it and then on the lid portion of it add some cloth. Now you have a tissue dispenser. Now take any sort of circular object, add multiple pieces of tape to it and then line it with a lot of jute thread. Add bows to it as such. Next, we'll be making this container. For this, start off by taking two cards, wrap them one around the other as such. Now, using the shape, make about 5 or 6 of these and then fit them one into the other. After you fit them, it should form this particular shape. Then begin to add the top, which should slowly form a circular shape as such. Add paper on the insides, line it with jute thread and then add flowers on the outside. Now for this, start off by taking a branch, some green wool thread and wrap it around your fingers. Make a small slit in one of them. Then add a wire to it and then twist it in place. Wrap a ribbon around it as such to make it look like a flower. Cut it in half. Make multiple of these and then stick them to the wire together and then join them to make it look like an actual tree. Thank you for watching.